Not too many black places, mostly green.
Oh, ah! Then here, use this stuff. No problem. Yeah, make sure you don't rip any wiring. No. Yeah, I think you might need a heat gun. I don't think it's going to be warm enough. Let's give it a try. If it doesn't work, then you borrow the heat gun from the lab first, and we will touch up everything first. So, yeah, just push it, yeah. Yeah, it's coming. It's coming. Yeah, don't hurt yourself though. You know, I think it shouldn't be too much of a problem. Your dent actually is pretty shallow. You know, relative-wise. Try the heat gun. If it doesn't work, then make a hole and pull it out. Sure. And you know how to use bundle, right? You use it before now? Okay. I haven't either, so. Yeah, there you go. There you go. There you go. Keep on up, keep on going.
Oh yeah.
It's coming. Yeah, there you go. Keep doing what you're doing. There you go. Yeah, there you go. Wow, great. Hey, perfect. Beautiful. Original bumper. I couldn't believe it. Amazing.
Yeah.
That looks pretty bad. I was afraid that it won't come out. I was afraid that our hair dryer wasn't hot enough. But that idea have two hair dryers.
Yeah, I was actually nervous.